Glozen Group, the parent company of Glozen International, is a national high-tech enterprise specializing in precision metal sheet processing and intelligent manufacturing. Headquartered in Jiangsu, Jiangxi, China, the company has been established for 13 years with a registered capital of 139.98 million Chinese yuan. Glozen Group operates a 67,051 square meters digital production base equipped with internationally certified professional CNC equipments, include Germany Trulaser Prime Edition Fiber, Japan Toy Okoki Hydraulic Press Brake, Finland Fin Power Punch Sharp, and Germany Siemens Smart Powder Coating Line. Core products cover intelligent archival compact shelves, storage cabinets, library bookshelves, warehouse racks, and tool cabinets. Glozen Group has obtained certifications for ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and other management systems. The company has participated in the formulation of 9 industry and national standards and holds 176 intellectual property rights, including 40 invention patents. Glozen Group is advancing its Industry 4.0 strategic direction by deeply integrating ERP and MES to establish an end-to-end digital management system from customization, design, manufacture, transportation, and after-sales service. This enables closed-loop controls spanning order management, production scheduling, and quality traceability across the entire operational UBR. Glozen Group is committed to technological innovation, integrity-driven services, and digital transformation as the core engine, propelling the metal manufacturing industry into an intelligent new era of enhanced precision and efficiency while co-creating value with global partners.